You're utilizing about 40 different systems to run our processes.
We really wanted to modernize our IT environment.
We are growing very fast. SAP Business ByDesign is helping us to connect our e-commerce to the supply chain to be able to deliver the product at the right moment.
SAP permits us to do very good control over our components that we have in stock.
ByDesign really helped to support our growth. We were able to acquire a new business unit as well as grow our company by 20%.
We didn't need to recreate the wheel. We had a template already built. The end state with Business ByDesign and S/4HANA will be simplified between the subsidiaries and our parent, along all of our divisions, all of our nations serviced.
This is helpful for us in terms of serving our new customers, acquiring new business units to modernize.
When we have information, we are able to deliver more to the consumer.
Instead of using 4 different platforms, now I'm using only one.
We connected SAP to multiple satellite systems within the company, to our global finance reporting tool, and we even connected to a 3PL warehouse in our UK subsidiary.
Going forward, we're going to continue to optimize our SAP Business ByDesign system and our North American template.
Innovation should be everywhere. SAP was able to understand the kind of innovation we wanted to achieve, to have the perfect information to run live.